No, or even a string instrument where it takes so long to make a sound.
Yeah, because you can make a sound right away.
It's like a piano. I find where this is harder is keeping this hand going like this, and this hand needs to do like la 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 la, kind of like drums, where it's doing a different rhythm. Right? Where this one's doing like 3, 4, whatever it's called, and this one's fitting in more notes than this one is. Yes, and that's why I recommend you practice. It's still good, but you can walk through it. It's still good.
Oh, yeah, that.
You could do some killer drones because you have 3 fingers. You do like a C, G, and a C minor.
Yeah.
So,
I mean, the guy that I play with that's mostly what he's doing. Because you can just mix these.
yeah, because the major is playing, let's say it's playing a C, E, G. You can do a C, G with something else and just make great sounds. Does he use a pedal at all? Or like a reverb or something like that? A delay?
Yeah, he's also playing a laptop, so sometimes it's like laying down synth drones and then playing these things on top of it.
There's a chord. G with a D7.
It feels like this, like the bass section is a lot louder.
Yeah.
And is there any like, you can't really do anything directly about that, right?
No, when I play, I feel that playing more staccato makes it quieter.
Yeah,
like
it's more you have to deal with it texturally.
Yeah. Now this one can be
yeah.
I think that like I'm just pulling slightly.
Yeah.
Dynamics that will come later. But yeah, you're right. At first it's this one is so loud because you're just learning it. This side can't compete. It's essentially controlling air. Try slowly, like ba ba, and see if you can make it really staccato. And give a little bit of a little pull with your wrist. Give like a ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, or even the same note. Try to just like.
Yeah, I mean, it's a lot like trying to do
left and right hand piano.
Yeah, but with the addition of this left and right of the bellows.
Yes.
With this addition of a kind of like lung-like thing that you're also operating.
Yeah, you don't want to run out of breath and you don't want to make it too sputtered.
start off with three.
Yeah, oompa. You can do oompa oompa. It's easier like a march, which is just oompa oompa oompa. I like the waltz because it fits the accordion really nicely. So good. Yeah. To the yeah, 4/4 there. Yes. That's the hard switch. The that one is like a
yeah, and it's like thinking about the like you're kind of balancing between the phrasing of the right hand and the left hand too.
Yeah,
because they're kind of linked. Oh, that's interesting.
But you can imagine it getting resolved in a week. Let's call it, right?
Oh yeah.
Because my fear is always like, people say how long will it take? Obviously, depends on you and time of practice. But I tell people if you can practice 15 minutes. By breaking it down, obviously if it's too hard on the instrument, just try and go oom pa pa and try and do this one. Like it's doable in a few weeks if you have. I don't know. I don't want to say musical, but if you have the time to practice. What do you think?
I mean, it is helpful to start with the left hand because it's like the left hand is more. There's something about like getting the feeling of how the bellows are working.
Mm-hmm.
Where?
Oh, the indent. It helps. To look, it helps, but you're yes. Oh,
I just want there.
Yes. 4/3. Yeah.
I think I'm.
It could be also this is I've been wearing it. My wrist strap is broken on that accordion. You also like this has to be loose enough that you can go around, but tight enough that you can pull it without.
So it probably is a little bit too tight.
You can try this accordion too.
Because the bellows is kind of more about the left hand.
Yep, completely.
And then it's like if I'm doing that and I'm like playing something that kind of like goes with a kind of conventional musical phrasing that would be implied by that, and if I'm doing that in a nice musical way, I can just kind of play the keys.
Yep. Yeah.
Versus I think my tendency, especially because I'm playing melodica a bit, if I started with the right hand, I would be wanting to do like breath phrasing with the bellows. Which like you could also, there's no reason you can't do that, but that's probably not what most people want to do.
I have my former bandmate just plays right hand on the accordion for those sounds, right? Like
if you're playing the band.
Yeah, exactly. Solo, it's different.
Yeah,
should play the left hand.
But that's even something that I think is different about the melodica than playing the flute, for instance, is that you also, like, nothing happens unless you press a key.
Yes.
So you can do, like, there's no such thing as, like...
Yeah.
Which is such a cool thing. Or, like how staccato feels, because... like the keys are interrupting the air.
Mm-hmm.
I just keep getting
Oh,
lost.
it's lost like the C. Lose the C. La 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 la.
Wait, no.
Yes.
Don't want to lose the accordion.
Is there one that's easy? Oh, that's the contrabass.
Yeah, I would want to do a lot more hands. I wouldn't be sitting here going boom chick chick for an hour.
Yeah. Do you want to do left hand? I'll do right hand. I'm just doing.
Sure, yeah.
And legato is amazing too, right? Anyway, all sorts of nice things to do.
Yeah.